Welcome. In the previous video we talked about the different types of searches that you can run on the Matrix MLS, and in this video we're going to dive into setting up a search. So first of all, I'll show you how to get to the search. If you're on the home page, we're going to go to search, just hover over it and then click on RE1, RE2. So we're going to search for just a standard residential property. In this case, I have a scenario that we're going to search for, which is going to be a single family house in Coral Springs and Parkland. Price range is 400 to 550,000. 3 to 4 bedroom house. The square footage is going to be 1,700 square feet and or higher. The house needs to have a 2-car garage, has a pool, and built after 1980. So I'll show you how to set up this search. So first of all, on the status you're going to look for active. You can also search for properties that have a backup contract, that are cancelled. You can look for closed sales, you can look for currently pending sales, you can look for properties that were rented, temporarily off the market, withdrawn and expired. Keep in mind that the rented properties you actually wouldn't be able to find here because those would be under residential rental. So you wouldn't be able to search for these on this one. So we're gonna go with a single family house. That's the type we're searching for, and then we're gonna look for a single family house. This is also where you would select a mobile house if that's what you're looking for, but in this case it's a single family house, and we said it's gonna have a pool, and then we said the price range is gonna be 400 to 550,000. It's gonna need to have 3 to 4 bedrooms. Garage spaces, I don't know if I mentioned in the criteria, it's 2 garage spaces, 2 plus. And then the square footage is going to be 1,700 plus. The year built is going to be 1980 plus. So basically, if you were to search for a range, so let's say from 1980 to 1990, so you can just type it 1980 to 1990, and that will search within this range. But in this case we're just going to do 1980 plus, and you already see how many matches you have. Now we still haven't selected the area, so this is for the entire MLS area, but now we're going to narrow it down to the 2 cities that I mentioned, which is Coral Springs and Parkland. So let's select Broward County, and then on the geographic area, actually on the city here, you can do it in 2 ways. You can either select here Coral Springs and then scroll down to where it says Parkland. Where is it? There you go. Hold Control and click that as well, and it's gonna give you the 2 cities here. The other way to do it is you can click on this icon, and then here you can just type Coral Springs, add it to your list, and then Parkland is already here. If it wasn't, then you would just go type in Parkland and add it to your list. Click OK, and now you have in Coral Springs and Parkland you have 104 matches that meet our criteria. So let's click at the results, and these are your results here. Now this video is short. In the next video I'm gonna show you how to search for condos, townhouses, villas. Now as far as if we go back to the search, mobile home, if you're looking for that, that's basically the same way, and you have additional criteria here that you can search by. Let's say development name, subdivision. Just keep in mind that a lot of times agents, when they put up listings, they leave that information out. So usually when you're searching by a community or a subdivision, you probably gonna have better luck doing a map search, and I'll show you that in the upcoming video, the following one after the condos and townhouses. So thank you for watching.
Succeed with Access USA Realty.